Alright, ladies and gentlemen, and the one I'm about to see is Septa Regional Rail Line number 2502 from, I believe, Wilmington, Delaware as the Doylestown local. This time I'm about to see is a 4-car Silverliner V set, because the last train I saw yesterday was 2500, which was operated as a 6-car Silverliner V set. So 2502 is at New Britain right now, and it's just about a couple minutes late. So, I can now hear it. So it should have departed New Britain by now. So it should be here in just about a few minutes from now. Let's see if I can zoom in. That's better. Oh, here we go. So here we go. Coming now is a 4-car Silverliner 4 set on 2502.
Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the track. Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the track.
811, 812, 717, and 702.
Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the track.
And as if it gets to Doylestown, as it'll depart Doylestown around 10:11, it will convert into 5213 to Wilmington, Delaware. And then, because also the last train I saw, as I said earlier, was 2500, and as if it got to Doylestown, it converted into 5211 to Marcus Hook Station. So yeah, so that's how it goes. So very nice.